Hey everyone, welcome back to the unboxing version of my channel. It's Chris Lambert here, and I haven't done any unboxing videos in a while, so Halloween is coming up. I said we were dressed like the characters of Tim Burton's Netflix TV series Wednesday, and so I'm going to do one of the last costumes here, and this one is Lurch. And I will be playing Lurch because I couldn't get anyone else to do it, or the person I picked. So here's his costume. He wears a black and white pinstripe suit. I think it's double-breasted, or it might be single. I'll find out when I open it up. This is a wingtip collar, so when he puts his tie on, you can see the tie all the way around it, and it looks like he just ties it in a single knot. He doesn't tie his tie correctly, and it just looks kind of sloppy. Like you can see both ends of the tie. And the second one is, let's set this aside, a suit I got from Alain Dupaty. I think that's how you pronounce it. So this is the Lurch suit that I decided on. I haven't tried it on. They said the pants aren't tailored, and I don't want to take it to the tailor, but I think I carry so much stuff in my pockets and cell phones, and I think I'll just wear a black pair of jeans. And I also ordered with it a tie. There's the tie, black tie, and I ordered suit bag, pretty cheap one, it looks like. Pretty nice. It wasn't expensive. There it is, Alain Dupaty. Pretty good deal. I have a real fancy one that's heavy duty, thick vinyl, and it zips up and stuff. So here's the suit. Looks pretty nice, yeah. It is. I don't think it is double-breasted. So that's the suit. I'll just leave it like this for now. Try it on later. I hope it fits. Better too big than too small. And also, I got a couple of clip-on ties for Gomez, and I gave him the other shirt that I bought. These I got from Amazon, but the other wingtip shirt I got from Walmart, and it took a while to get here, so when it came here I gave it to the person playing Gomez. So that's this part of the video. Thanks for tuning in. Well, I'll show some pictures and videos of us at the Halloween costume contest, so be sure to tune in for that. And I lost my YouTube shirt. It's in the wash, I think. So anyway, like, subscribe, and check out my next videos. Thank you, Chris Lambert. And there it is. Costume number 14, Lurch.